Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm about to take a glue bath. Not this kind of bath. I want to fill this wind chest, the wind chest of a new positive organ, with glue. But before, remember to subscribe to the channel and leave a like. Let's start! We're close to Christmas. What's better than watching a guy filling a wind chest with glue? Joking aside, the glue bath is used to seal any possible leaks in the wind chest channels, since the dividers in this one are very thin, only 1 mm. I decided to do it to be sure it was airtight. As you can see, I proceed to seal all the holes from which the glue could come out with paper tape. I also seal the holes of the action rods. After carefully sealing all the holes, I proceed to prepare the glue. A slightly diluted vinyl glue. As you can see, I'm at home, because I need a dry and warm place. Se sporco mia moglie mi uccide.
Non è vero.
Vediamo, proviamo se funziona, perché mi sembrava una buona idea. Ci vuole uno straccetto. This system allows me to dirty as little as possible. However, when the glue is dry, I drill again the holes where the action rods will have to pass. The channels must be filled completely. The first half is done. Now I open the channels for the glue to flow. Esce?
Sì, sì.
Now I recover the glue and do the same with the other half of the wind chest. Okay, the glue is dried and the wind chest is ready. Next time I can put the pallets. Bye!